Dear students, I welcome you all for the design thinking based discussion on electrostatic shielding for mobile phones. Mobile phones are the day-to-day life. It is an essential part for us. And even though the users face issues related to electrostatic discharge and also unwanted electromagnetic interference. So in order to avoid this, we need some techniques. So electrostatic shielding is a technique which protect this from the various issues related to electrostatic discharge and also electromagnetic interference. So in this video, we use design thinking concept. We know there are 5 stages of design thinking. Start from the empathy, so identifying the user needs, and also define part, finding the core problem, and ideate, prototype. Finally, we are going to see the test part. So for this problem of electrostatic discharge related issues for mobile phones, we are going to discuss the solution using all the design thinking based concepts. So let us discuss.
Okay. To give it a design thinking approach to this problem, let me start with the empathy stage. Users often face malfunctions in their mobile phones that maybe the technical issues or the touch issues. To overcome, and technicians are also reporting certain damages in the internal circuits. Which is causing due to the electrostatic discharge that causes because the high usage of the mobile phones. So this is the problem statement, and to define this, vulnerable to electrostatic discharges and electric fields around it. So all we have to do now is to build a simple and cost-effective electrostatic shielding protection to protect our mobile phones.
So next part of the design thinking stage.
So coming to the idea part, we may develop possible solutions by considering the conductive shielding layers inside the mobile phone cases, and next is metallic coatings and conductive coatings around use of this, and next is grounded shielding layers and anti-static phone covers. Among these, we may consider the conductive shielding layers due to its simplicity and effectiveness.
So the next stage will be prototype stage. Only 3 points. The first thing is it covers an aluminium or a copper foil above it. The second part is insulating plastic covers. The third is mobile casing model. So the conductive layer will be placed between the mobile casing model and the outer core to block the magnetic interferences or magnetic discharges. The second part which I'm here to say is the test stage. The test stage, actually we can test this project by adding certain stimulated amount of electric discharge to it, and this is observed by the static stability and the overall functions. So from this we can visibly see that there will be a reduced electrostatic interferences compared to an unshielded model. So how this is connected to our studies is we study from the unit 1 of electromotive force, that is EMF subject. It is all related to Gauss law, conductivity, electric field, electric discharge, electric interferences. This is how this project relates to our studies.
So next we are moving on to the advantages of electrostatic shielding. So in these advantages we see like how the electrostatic shielding helps mobile phones to be more durable. So it gradually reduces the damages caused by the electrostatics, and it not just only do that, and it will also increase the phone's reliability, and more than that, it will also prevent the damage of the sensitive components in the mobile phones, as we usually know about that, and it will also enhance the user safety. So, and moving on to the conclusion, we see that this electrostatic shielding is also an application of the electrostatic concept for covering and making mobile phone more durable. So in this, we are going to move like we are going to develop a solution based on this design thinking approach to make the phone more durable, reliable, and also enhance the user safety.
Thank you, dear students. You have used the design thinking concept for the electromagnetic field course, and also you have applied all the concept of first unit to how the problem of the mobile phone usage interference problem, and you have solved the issues by using stage by stage design thinking cases, and you have proposed the very good idea. Thank you so much for your contribution.
Thank you. Thank you.